So to open the PlayStation 4, first we will start here with this side of the hard drive. So just pull it and everything should come out. Then for this side we need here to unscrew these buttons. So unscrew these, not buttons but screws. And here I think it's a T8. I will put in an image what is the type of screw, but some of them have here some, maybe here you cannot see very well, some of them have in the middle some actually you can see over here, this one over there in the middle there is a bit of metal in the middle, so sometimes this with this screw, actually screwdriver is not possible. This one actually is possible, but then I will show how to open them. So for the ones that we will use this T8. Put here all the screws, and then for the ones that we cannot open, for example, let's see, this one here, imagine that if it had something in the middle it could not open, we could use a screwdriver, a simple one, and it would press and we could open. This one doesn't have, but this one I think it has, so yes. So let's, I will try to show. So since it had here this metal thing in the middle, then we can unscrew it. So it's quite easy. So okay, so for starting this side now, we just need to take this other screw. It felt one of them. Okay, over here, and this one. And as well, we will need to unscrew here in the back these two screws. Usually they have here a sticker. This PlayStation itself doesn't have a sticker, so we can try to unscrew these ones. This is from the bottom part, so we don't need to take it out now, but later on we will need, so we can do it right away. So for the top part is just this one. And then for the top part, how to open, I will put this to the side, it will be easier. To open these is just to push it up this side, and I think this side as well. And that's this side, and then we slide it to the back. Okay, so now we have here the top of the PlayStation itself. So for now we don't need yet, I think, to take all of these screws. We can, but let's take first the bottom part. So the bottom part basically is just this screw over here that we already took off, and then here this one is a bit tricky. Here in the side we have here some kind of crevice, so we can try to open it. I think it's a bit tricky and needs a bit of force, so if it doesn't slide in. Okay, let me try some other tool. Actually, what I have here these doors. This stuff for the doors, so it can be used as well since it's plastic. And here it's from the back that we need to take. Actually, see, opened it. So I'll keep it here just to open the other side as well. And the other side, a similar thing. No, I lost the other one inside, so let's try with this one to see if we can open. I was able to put it here on that side. Maybe with this one I can slide it in and now go all here around. And okay, so it's a bit hard, but that's it. So after it comes up, it just slides to the back. And we recovered the other one. Okay, so now what we can start to take these. This is the power supply. For the power supply, we have 1, 2, 3 screws and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I think this one as well. So these 2 screws are with a normal Phillips screwdriver. Pull it up. And as you can see, it's a very long one, screws. So for the other ones is again this, I think this T8. So here, for example, this one I cannot use it, the T8, because we have it over there, this small metal inside. So what I will try to do, I'll try to use a small Phillips screwdriver and twist it around. In case that it breaks this part inside, then we can use this one. And should be it. Not for the battery, we just probably need to wiggle it from both sides. I think so. And here in the bottom we have here the connector, which is to be a bit hard to take. I could try to use some pliers, but I don't have any, so the best is just to grab it here for the bottom and try to wiggle it to come out. Okay, and now here we have this I think for the wireless. We can take it out. And here we have these cables, these ribbon cables. This one we just pull it. This big one, we need to pull this black plastic here, both sides, and then pull it as well. And for this one, the smaller one, just pull it, and that's it. As well here, I think this is the wireless. So for this one, we just need here to unscrew this screw here as well, and it should come out, and the wire goes all these ridges. So we can put it here, and that's it. Now we can try to take the disk drive, the Blu-ray. So for this one, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. I think this is enough. So let's do it as well. So we have here some ribbon cable, so we need to disconnect it, and it comes out, and that's it. Now everything from this side it's done. So what we need now is to take this other side. We have here some plastic cover. So this is as well these T8 screws. And here we have the main cover. So we have plenty of screws here, 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 and then we have this black one, and here's some of them as well. So let's unscrew all of these. First we can take this one, that is a Phillips screw for the drive itself, the hard drive. And it just comes out, and that's it. And now we can start with all the other screws. And the black ones are Phillips screws as well. Here we can see that we have here 3 as well screws, white ones, but they are Phillips screws as well. So they should, I think we need to take them out as well. Okay, so now we can take it off, and that's it. Here we have here the pads of the memories, so don't lose them. And that's it. As well, here over here you can see that we have here some small metal thing. We should take it, not to forget. This is the one that connects here under this cover. To take the motherboard out, here we have the on and off button over here. So there is some small lid, maybe you can see it, so we just need to pull it a bit up and then it should come out, and push it. That's it. And now to take the motherboard, we just need to take this clamp over here. Here, this one we could have taken it as well, because this should be under. Maybe I will take it, you will be able to see. It's just these two screws over here. And it should come out as well. And now here for this clamp as well is two Phillips screwdrivers. As you can see, and we have here this plastic spacer, which have here some metal as well. And I believe that's it. Now the motherboard, we have still here the cable, so we can pull it out just in case. So now this comes up, and if we wiggle a bit, it should slide. Be careful with this here, with this plug as well, the fan, so we need to pull it as well. So this, you pull it up and you push it to yourself. And here we have the motherboard. And that's it. That's the main part to take the motherboard out. Here then, to take, if we want to take all the fan and all of these, we just have here a few screws, and it should come out pretty easy. Please like and subscribe, it will help a lot. So see you later in the next one.